Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Unit 4 measurement part 5 exercise 4.2. In this video we are going to learn about fill in the blanks, match the following and also word problem 7 to 10. Exercise 4.2 capacity. First one, fill in the blanks. So dash is the smallest metric measure of capacity. So we need to find the smallest, isn't it? See here. This we have learnt for the length, isn't it? Length ku kilometer, hectometer and so on. But for weight also we have learnt, we change and learnt kilogram, hectogram, decagram nu மாத்தி படிச்சோம். Okay va? Likewise, we are going to change now as a kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Fine. So now it's easy to identify which is the smallest one. Yes. So the milliliter is the milli means it's the smallest only. I told you already. Just to keep in mind, don't forget anything. So படிச்சிட்டே வாங்க, don't forget. So milliliter is the smallest one now. Then second question, dash is the largest. So that's also you know now, isn't it? So kiloliter is the topmost and then that is the largest unit. So one more dash is there, that is equal dash liter. அதாவது 1 kiloliter வந்து எத்தனை லிட்டருக்கு ஈக்குவல்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஃப்ரம் kiloliter to liter அதுலேருந்து இது கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we need to multiply with 3 times 10s. So 3 10s are 13 multiply பண்ணிராதீங்க. That is wrong way. We need to multiply with 10 10s are 100, 100 10s are 1000. Fine. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. That is the answer here. Then third one, 7 kiloliter 30 liter is equal to dash liter. So once again kiloliter la liter தான் convert பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So if we multiply with 1000, so 7 kiloliter equal to 1000 ஆல multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 7000 liter ஆயிடும். So 7000 plus 30, 7030 is the answer. So weight la என்ன பண்ணமோ the same procedure. So just add and check it here. Fourth one, 5 liter 400 ml is equal to dash ml. So இங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, milliliter convert பண்ணணும். Liter வந்து milliliter. So from liter to milliliter. See once again we need to multiply with 3 times 10s only. That is 1000. So இங்க add பண்ணி போட்டிங்கனாலும் 5400 only. So this we have learnt in let us know portions also. அங்க பாருங்க first topல பாருங்க 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. அதுலயும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். So water may be the same procedure. So if you add these two, 5400 ml is the correct answer here. Fifth one, 1300 ml is equal to dash liter dash ml. So நல்லா பாருங்க, milliliterல இருந்து லிட்டருக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போறோம். அதாவது we are stepping up. Backwardல இருந்து ஃப்ரண்ட்டுக்கு போறோம். So reverseல போகும்போது sure we need to do division only. Okay. So topmostல இருந்து downwards வரும் பொழுது we need to multiply, but from downwards to top we need to divide only. Don't forget this. So இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா in between 3 times 10s இருக்கு. So divided by 1000 only. Fine. Come to the question. இங்க 1300 ml ல 1 times only 1000 is there. Right? So the remaining 300 ml is the ml only. So 1 liter and then 300 ml. Hope you understand. Exercise 4.2, second one, match the following. So look at the left side. Fully all are given as in milliliter, isn't it? Okay. But in right side, liter and milliliter. So splitted and then given, isn't it? Okay. So only thing we need to find the exact answers only. So, but we have known this 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, isn't it? In this last 3 digits are comes under milliliter. Am I right? Yes. So remaining the one comes under liter. So that is the hint here. So let us see the answers ma. First one 4500. Idhula last 3 digits comes under milliliter. So remaining 4. That is in the 4500 la 1000 வந்து 4 times வரும். Clear? So 4 is the liter. Fine. So that is the first answer. Second one, 3250 ml, last 3 digits. This is the ml and then 3 is the liter. So this is the second answer. Likewise, 500 ml is the ml and then 6 is the liter ma. Fourth one, 200 ml is the milliliter and then 8 is the liter. So that is the fourth one. So last 3 digit 050, we couldn't read which is starting from 0. So 50 is the correct answer here, 50 ml. So 7 liter and 50 ml is the correct answer. So let us write an exact answers here. That is 4 liter 500 ml, 3 liter 250 ml, 6 liter 500 ml, then 8 liter 200 ml, here 7 liter 50 ml. Eighth sum, in a fuel station, there was 70 liter 500 ml of fuel. How much amount of fuel will be left after selling 35 liter 700 ml of fuel? So, இங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? In a fuel station, there was 70 liter 500 ml of fuel. See here, not only groundnut oil, coconut oil, juice, water, milk, not only that, this fuel also comes under liquid category only. So, we have to follow the capacity. So, come to the portion. How much amount of fuel will be left? மீதி எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? After selling 35 liter 700 ml of fuel. அப்படின்னா 35 liter something sales ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகேவா? Right. They have given us a left. அவங்களே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க மீதி எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் leftங்கிற ஒரு வேர்ட் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So sure we need to do the subtraction ma. So let us start. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா which is a bigger number? 70 liter 500 ml, isn't it? So that is the bigger number. So from that we need to do the subtraction. So just have a glance. Total quantity of fuel is that we have to write. Then after selling, sold in கொடுத்தாச்சு, or you can write after selling also, no problem. So as usual we need to draw the tabular column like this and then do the subtraction. So total quantity 70 liter கீழ இருக்கு and milliliter கீழ 500 இருக்கு. So sold எவ்வளவு வித்துருச்சு 35 liter and 700 ml, isn't it? So now we can do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0 0, then 0 minus 0 as usual 0. Here 5 minus 7, so from 5 we couldn't subtract, so let us cancel that 5 and then get the sharing from thousands column. It's not possible there also because there is also 0, so let us get from 7, right? So if we give means here we have 6 and then here 10 will become, and then from there we need to share to 100, so cancel and put 9 and then give here 15, right? So don't forget the place value ma. So 15 minus 7 8, isn't it? Right. So in this thousands column we have 9, that is 9000 இருக்காங்க, கீழ 5000 இருக்கு. 9000 ல இருந்து 5000 if we subtract, so 4000 is the correct answer here. அதுதான் நம்ம 4 னு மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். Okay, then come to the 10,000 column. 6 minus 3 3, right? Okay, now let us write the answer. Left, this is the left fuel. Remaining quantity of fuel is equal to 34 liter 800 ml. Ninth sum, a pot contains 9 liter 500 ml of water. How much amount of water will 7 such pots contain? So இங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, ஒரு பாட்ல, ஓகேவா, in one pot it contains 9 liter 500 ml of water. Fine. So how much amount of water will 7 such pots contain? இதே மாதிரி 7 பானைகள் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுல எவ்வளவு தண்ணி இருக்கும், மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு தண்ணி இருக்கும்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Like this. So 1 already is there, so second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. Okay, now we need to get the answer. So one part வந்து கொடுத்துட்டு 7 parts க்கு கேக்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா sure we need to do what? Yeah, right, multiplication. Don't forget this. So single piece கொடுத்து நிறைய கேட்டாங்கனாலே we have to do multiplication ma, right? So let us start the answer. First let us write the word, that is very important. Quantity of water in one pot, okay va? Then quantity of water in 7 parts. Fine. So as usual we need to draw the tabular column like this. Then அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற ஒரு பாட்ல எவ்வளவு இருக்கும், 9 liter and 500 ml கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? So 7 potனா 7 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும், that's it. As usual procedure. So let us start to multiply. 7 zeros are 0 and then come to the tens column. 7 zeros are 0 here. Then 100 column. 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35 ma. So 5 here and then 3 must be carry forward, and then next one is 7 9s are, isn't it? So 7 9s are 63. Then 63 and plus 3 is there, isn't it? So if we add these two, 66. So 6 here and carry forward 6. There is nothing in 10,000 column. So let us bring down the 6 here. That's it, work over. This is the total quantity of 7 parts, right? Total quantity of water is equal to 66 liter 500 ml. It's easy now, isn't it? 10th sum, and this is the last one. 25 liter 500 ml of milk is filled in 5 milk cans. How much amount of milk is filled in 1 can? So what are they saying here ma? So 5 milk can la மொத்தமா 25 liter 500 ml of milk is there னு சொல்றாங்க, ஓகேவா? That means one canல, ஒரே ஒரு canல மட்டும் எவ்வளவு milk இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க நம்மள, ஓகேவா? So அப்ப மொத்தமா கொடுத்துட்டு single piece கேக்குறாங்க, single canல எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க, or single boxல எத்தனை இருக்கு, or single penோட rate என்னன்னு கேட்டாங்கனாலே கண்டிப்பா we should do the division only. Don't forget this. Okay, so let us start with the words. Milk in 5 cans அவங்க கொடுத்தது, then milk in 1 can அப்படின்னா we must need to divide by 5, right? Okay, let us start with the tabular column and then as usual draw the line, and then divisor is 5 now. Okay, so let us select the first digit to It's not possible, isn't it? In 5 times table, we don't have to. So let us select the 0. So 5 zeros are 0. After subtraction, 2 minus 0, 2. So bring down the 5 here. Now we have 25, isn't it? So in 5 times table, we have 25. That is a square number also. So 5 5s are 25. So after subtraction, what? Yes, you are right, 0 ma. So bring down the next digit. Yes, we have 5 times table of 5 irukku. So 5 1 times. 5 ones are 5. So if we subtract 5 minus 5, 0. Then bring down the next digit, 0. Yes, we have 0 in 5 times table also. That is 5 zeros are 0. Am I right? Good. So here also 0 will become, and one more 0 is there. As usual, same procedure for 5 zeros are 0. That's it. So லிட்டருக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 0.5 ன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. So 5 is the answer for liter, and then milliliterக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 100, 100 is the answer for milliliter. That's it. அப்படின்னா milk in 1 can is equal to 5 liter 100 ml. If you have this doubt, you can multiply 5 liter and 100 ml into 5. அதை 5 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கனாலே உங்களுக்கு இந்த மொத்த குவாண்டிட்டி 25 லிட்டர் 500 ml ஓட ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிரும். Just check it once. That's it. Very, very easy ma. Just you have to do and get practice.